need nobody to pull off or nothing like that, so let's not do that. Okay, so lock your phone and you'll have no identification on you. Is this your ID? Your legal ID?
No.
Okay. The check. Where's the check at?
What check?
The check he was trying to cash, give it to the office.
Fake ID. Not her check. Real name. Real day of birth.
I didn't get no money, so I didn't cash it. You didn't cash no check for me.
On April 17, 2025, a woman walked into a United States post office in Leon County, Florida, with a stolen Treasury check and a counterfeit ID. The real issue is not the fake ID, it is how a live federal alert network shut down an entire multi-location fraud operation in real time.
I don't need nobody to pull off or nothing like that, so let's not do that. Okay, so lock your phone and you'll have no identification on you.
What's going on?
You're being detained at this time.
Why?
We have an investigation to investigate. Apparently you cashed a check that does not belong to you.
Me?
Yes, you.
No.
Okay, well that's what they're alleging. So until we can further investigate, you're being detained.
Okay.
Okay, and you have no identification on you at all. So you didn't give them any identification? No license, no nothing?
Yeah, I did, ma'am.
Okay, so where is it?
In my purse.
Okay, hand it here.
I'm sure I don't have it. I don't think she gave it out. I can get it on my card.
No, we can walk this way. Do you still have the identification that she gave me?
I can give it.
No, you didn't give it back.
Check and ID, I just give it.
You want to set your bag on the counter? Okay. Is this your ID? Your legal ID?
No.
Okay. The check. Where's the check at?
What check?
The check he was trying to...
Real day of birth. And she has other people in the vehicle. I'm assuming that's what she keeps communicating with.
Where'd you get this made?
You said what?
Where'd you get this made? You don't know?
They already cashed it, so they already lost money.
Oh, they already cashed it?
Mm-hmm.
What check did you cash? You didn't cash a check for me.
No, we had another fraudulent check just before you got here.
What does it have to do with me, though?
No, that wasn't regarding you. It was the same instance with the same ID, same everything. The same fake ID like yours.
You say your name Marquia? You say you got a ride outside? Somebody out there waiting for you?
Staying on top of the core concepts of sustainable investing can add value to your clients, your team.
Got anything in your purse?
Yes.
Take your purse off.
It's a group. I don't know if it's a group, but they've been hitting all of our post offices. So we've been sharing it in our group text. The group that was just here, no, we can't cash a Treasury check without cash. So Chino fell for it. He said, here, I got $3,000, I want to buy 3 money orders. And then he says, oh, here, cash this check. And the check, that check was good. They're stolen from somewhere, but the ID is linked to a man somewhere. So then we had another group just go to Quincy to try to, they just came from Quincy and told us, and I got the email. And then we know now, so they came and got me, because this stuff comes out of their check. So they said it's a tall, slender, it's for 15 something. It's not their ID. If you run the ID, the one that we ran earlier was to a man. So they're fake IDs. Her ID goes to a man too?
Well, I'm not sure.
You ain't ran it yet? Oh, see, that Spectre ran it.
Her name is totally different from the name she provided us. It's totally different.
I heard her say that it wasn't her. I did hear her say that.
Right. So obviously she got an ID to match the name on the check in the attempt to cash the check.
Which is what the other person did.
All right. How did y'all just ran in and was like, this is a male?
Well, Ryan, the inspector, he'll be here in a minute. He alerted us that someone was trying to cash this check for $23.40
at a different location.
And they called. The postmaster was sitting in my seat. I'm the station manager. She has off by town. And I stepped out to the window and I said, "Hey, don't cash the Treasury check." She said, "We just did." Chin got caught into it, he said, here's $3,000. Let me buy some money orders. She put the $3,000 in her drawer, and then he said, oh yeah, cash this check. She gave him that money right back because she didn't have enough to cash it because everybody uses debit and credit.
Mm-hmm.
Ryan, when he got here, he ran the ID that she provided, and it came back as a mail.
Mm-hmm.
When Inspector Ryan of the United States Postal Inspection Service ran her identification, it came back registered to a mail. Under Terry versus Ohio, law enforcement may detain someone on reasonable, articulable suspicion alone, a bar well below probable cause. A mismatched ID on a stolen federal check clears that bar. Still, a defense attorney could argue the initial approach rested on an informal postal group text, not a sworn law enforcement source. That said, the moment that database return came back to a mail, every procedural argument evaporated. What she was carrying next changes the legal...
Right. So...
They're making an ID to go with that check.
Right. The money from this check, did y'all provide it to her or y'all?
Oh, no. We didn't give her the check. Still got the check.
The cash from the previous one, that was the one y'all were cashed?
We cashed it.
Okay. So she attempted to get this check cash, however y'all called it, so y'all didn't provide her any cash.
I needed you to hold her because the inspectors are at a different location from the earlier.
Mm-hmm.
Their office is not too far. It's the next exit.
Mm-hmm.
And you're aware who they are.
The inspectors?
Mm-hmm. They're the federal agents for the post. Well, they work for, actually, they are the federal police force for, they carry a badge and everything.
I've never talked to one in person. I've heard, like,
they're real cool.
Theft of mail and stuff. And
man, you don't want to, when they show up, the file is this thick. And I get them for stealing my mail, stealing my gas cards. You know, it happens.
Okay.
That.
So the original man or whatever, so he said this person is the one who cashed it earlier, this man, and this is his ID. Also, she went to the Centerville office, same date of birth, same picture, just a different name, and attempted to cash this check. But they didn't cash it. They didn't cash that one, but they did cash his.
Okay. Yeah, that's what she was saying.
But she has a second ID, same picture, same date of birth, just a different name.
Okay. Was that on her property or?
I don't know if it's on her property.
Okay.
I ain't checking. But I looked at the ID, put it out. But it's the same information, just different.
You got that check?
This one?
Oh yeah.
Look what he just said.
Where she's right here?
Yeah, the suspect's at the end in their little conference room.
Okay.
Like I said, I got her detained.
Okay.
And essentially what I told you, she came up here with a check, tried to cash it with a fake ID. That's not her. The name on the ID is...
It's not a real name, it's a fake name.
Right. But the name on the ID comes to the check holder. So it matches the check holder.
Yeah, so her fake ID matches the name on the fake document.
Right.
Okay.
No, it's probably a real document.
But they created a fake
They
ID.
created a fake ID to match that name on there.
Mm-hmm.
I think she's the same one that was at Centerville earlier today.
Oh, wow.
I sent your deputy all the information that because I was there.
I missed her by like 10 minutes at Centerville. Then I heard they went to West Side. Then they came here.
Well, the guy that was here did they shouldn't have done it. He converted the check for postal money orders.
But like I said, she didn't want to talk. She got a large lump sum of cash in her purse. Oh, she does? Well, we'll see if that is too. Okay.
You got to get off here for a joint?
Yes, sir. I was just close.
Yeah, I appreciate it. We'll get your 6:30, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll get that.
This was, I don't know if he informed you, because I spoke with him first. Same description from an earlier location, just a different name, same date of birth, just a different name on the license. Same picture as this one.
Where'd you get this photo from him?
From the other location.
The only problem is...
Yeah, you can just see the picture and the date of birth. That's it. In the date of birth is the same. Just a different name.
Gotcha.
And a different check as well.
Okay.
You ever been arrested before? You from Georgia? Florida? Louisiana?
I live in Georgia.
Live in Jordan? What's your social? Okay.
So you would have a Louisiana ID? You got a Florida ID? What ID do you have? What part of Georgia you stay in?
You said Albany?
Atlanta.
Oh, Atlanta.
Hey, step in there with that with it first. Let's take a look at what and I'll watch it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it.
$5,000.
$5,072.
Yeah.
I understand you want to remain silent, so I'm not going to love to talk if you want to talk, but if you want to remain silent, it's your choice. Can't do anything about that.
How do you know? Sometimes I press. I have to restart it.
She said right after 5 o'clock, like 5:02, she said that.
I get you on this currency bag. That's like the currency bag. I know the denominations you have. I know the number.
Okay.
Her cord.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll take the phone, but not the cord. That's from the bank people's cords.
Okay. Alrighty, man. That's right. Just gonna go out this way. I'm gonna grab you that arm so you don't fall. Thank you.
I'm going to for now. Yeah. I'm going back to.
You ain't got nothing on you?
Can you put this across the top of her? Finish showing.
That's all you got? Okay. Just so you know, if you take anything in there that's illegal, considered contraband, that'll be another charge. So, go ahead.
Is it possible I can get a number so I know who to call?
Not your phone?
Yeah.
The associate in the silver car fled the moment deputies arrived. Under Illinois versus Wardlow, unprovoked flight is a recognized factor courts weigh in establishing reasonable suspicion, and it confirmed a second actor in the scheme was still at large. Title 18 United States Code Section 510 criminalizes passing a fraudulent Treasury check, up to 10 years per count. Title 18 United States Code Section 1028A adds a mandatory 2-year consecutive sentence no federal judge can suspend or run concurrent. While prosecutors must prove these, same photo, different names, each paired to a different stolen check, make the unknowing participant defense very difficult to sustain. Florida Statute 831.01 covers forgery, and Florida Statute 831.02 covers uttering a forged instrument, both second-degree felonies up to 15 years each. Florida Statute 322.212 adds up to 5 years per counterfeit ID found on her person. Florida Statute 817.568 elevates to a second-degree felony when the value reaches $5,000 or more. At $5,072 seized, she crosses that line. Under United States v. Robinson, items seized incident to a lawful arrest need no additional warrant. Under Miranda v. Arizona, the deputy's clean acknowledgement of her silence protected both her rights and every prior voluntary statement's admissibility. The deputy articulated the legal basis from the first sentence, restricted her phone to prevent coordination, and acknowledged her Fifth Amendment rights without pressure. That is how a multi-location federal investigation is supposed to be handled. Marcia Farrell invoked silence, the right call, but it came after voluntary statements implying knowledge of the scheme's structure, after she could not recall her Social Security number, and after 2 purpose-built counterfeit IDs were already in evidence. Post offices are federal property. Any crime inside falls under federal jurisdiction, where sentencing is mandatory and the 2-year term under Section 1028A cannot be negotiated away regardless of circumstance. The Fifth Amendment only protects you if you use it from the start. Every voluntary statement here became potential trial evidence. State your name if required by state law and nothing else. What stopped this scheme was the real-time alert network of the United States Postal Inspection Service.